Buds Daniel.
At notoriousmma.com.
At Beerbuds Michael.
And this is.
Oh my god.
Sorry, this is season 2.
Episode 8.
What the fuck did he say? Wait, no. Is this season 2, episode 8? Bills and Macardos.
To Daniel.
Michael.